Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Bezzera espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work. We had to get this valve that you see right here. Unfortunately we were replacing the pressure stab, but we had to replace this valve itself as well. So we replaced the entire thing and gave this machine a tune-up that the machine desperately needed. As you can see, this is the shower screen of the machine. You could barely see through it. There's a different shower screen in the machine. You can see the difference, how they look. So yeah, it was completely clogged. It was in really bad condition. The whole shower head as well. You can see there's a lot of coffee built up in here. We were removing most of it. We deep clean everything, polish it, put back together. We back flush this group head a lot as well. Descaled the boiler, the heat exchanger on this machine. Run a lot of water through the heat exchanger as well as through the steamer and the hot water. So yeah, we just gave it a good tune-up and now it's ready. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine. Otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Now we're using our test coffee, so hopefully we can see a bit of crema. You can see this a little bit on the faster side, but we'll still be able to see a nice shot of espresso. I'm gonna stop it at 2 ounces and you can see the crema on top of the espresso shot. Good shot of espresso. Excellent flow coming out through the group head. As you can see, nice steady stream. Really nice. Steamer for this machine, really powerful. Smelling great and with really great pressure and temperature. And hot water. Nice steady stream. Working great. So there you have it. Bezzera working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.